Well, I've been fussing with this wire harness because this tender is a little different than the others. Just a little different, but different enough. So I've changed the opening. I put it more near the front and the center. And I pull the wires out, and then I've got my clamp. It's a modified clamp from what I had. I set it up right next to the engine, and then it can go into the engine compartment, and it has one screw, and it holds it nice and tight. But on my last run of test, I saw arc in this wire somewhere, somehow. Messed with this wire enough that I've got a fracture somewhere, and it was arcing, and I couldn't believe it. But in any case, I got to rewire it. Now, the other thing I did was I put on the vent for the air to suck in and hold these wires from the trucks so they stay out of everybody's way as well. They don't hang down, look like shopping cart. Everything else is going well. Well, I don't know. Well, I guess it's relevant. If you see that gear move when I move this wheel, that's good, right? And then you see the gear not move when I move this wheel. That's not right. This wheel is a drive wheel, and it's loose on its hub. It will move out a little bit and then move in. It's been undersized. I don't think I can fix that wheel. I'm going to have to take this wheel off and put in a new hub wheel, a new wheel hub, the centerpiece. Got to replace that. We have the traction tires, and they're doing pretty good, except they're really, this one over here is really hard. This one over here is a lot softer. And I think that's given us some jitteriness out there when it gets to pulling hard. I had 12 cars on. I moved it back down to 9, and that smooths it out a little bit. But I think this hub is getting out of time. Somehow I just feel like it's a little up, like about 2 or 3 minutes up. I'm not sure. The other one seems to be fine. All of them now seem to fit. I've replaced 2 wheels already. This will be the 3rd one. But in any case, we're getting it. So what I'm going to have to do now, I thought I was going to be really, really close. I'm not. I'm going to have to take this off again, and I'm going to actually remove the harness from the tender and replace it with a brand new harness. I do have some cuts in there and patches and whatnot. I think some of that's probably causing some issues. So I'm going to put in a brand new single wire from connector to the interface plate, and that's just going to cost another day. I also thought I saw that this was a little tight. When I put it down on the track, it didn't have a lot of movement, so I'm wondering if I need to change something in this angle, reduce the angle, give it a little flatter look, or what. I don't know, but I'll check it when I get the wiring done. I'll check this and see what I need to do, and I'll beef this up, and I might change the angle of the connector if I have to. Those are the 2 things that I see bug me. Oh, and the wheel. Yeah, I'm going to have to do the wheel. I think it's to the point where I'm just going to take that off and figure it out. The trucks are working real well. Everybody's getting lots of pickup all along, and it's just doing a great job. Everything is. And the engine's running as well as it can. I do think this, oh, well, look, that's hard too. If I have a better, softer traction tire, I may replace that traction tire as well. But I'm running out of parts of myself. I mean, I don't have some of these things, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But in any case, we'll figure it out, and I'll post this up and get back to you. But all in all, the engine's running beautifully. The controllers, the smoke, everything, even the piston and the rod and all that craziness that we went into is doing well. Headlights working, everything's working. So I got to rewire it. I've changed it, lengthened it, shortened it, lengthened it. Too much now. I got to have to make it fresh. Okay, I'll get back to you. This will be another delay in getting this thing to Leon, unfortunately, and another delay of me going on to my other projects. But, I can't let something go out if I know something's going on. So there's that, right? All right, later.